and I like to come here to kind of get those worked out. That's it, that's all.
Perfect. All right, so start with the low back. I'm going to get you
Okay.
face down on the table for me, if that's okay. Perfect. So tender in there.
Yeah.
And then again, as we get
Yeah.
down in the lower lumbar, is tight again. Oh, that was easy. Stiff in through the left side joint, and then I'm going to bend both knees up. Good. Can you raise that right leg up for me as high as it'll go?
Oh, it's not going.
Yeah, it is not where I want to see it. And you can relax there and try the other one for me. Big difference. Okay. I'm going to bend you up here. Try and hold that there. If I try and bring you down, perfect. And then I'm going to switch you and hold. And so that one's a little more tough. I'm going to just try the SI joint here. Hold that there for me. Good. And one more. Perfect. So I'm going to get you turned, laying on your side, facing away from me. I'm going to meet you over there. Perfect. I'm going to roll that bottom shoulder just a little more in front of you. Just like that. Good. And then I'll get you. Awesome. Lots in there. And then I'm going to get you turned facing the other way for me. Good. And bring you up. Breath in. Out.
Oh, yeah.
So much in there. I think I set your watch off, sorry.
No, that was me.
Oh, okay. And then I'm going to get you back face down for me.
Oh. I've been training super hard.
I can feel that in the back. Have you been doing much posing?
No, but I've been destroying my back days.
Okay. Yeah, one way or another, it's there. We're going to get in with the percussor in here too. Relatively small city.
Yeah. So are you planning like any vacation? Like over the holidays or New Year?
I'm going to take the holidays themselves off.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take, I think actually the first week of January, I'm going to take off. And
Okay. But your calendar's like gonna be up to date, so we can't even like. Yeah, it's probably already blocked off, right?
Yep. Yeah, so I have like Christmas Day and I think maybe Boxing Day blocked off, and I've blocked off New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and then the first week of January needs to be.
Yeah.
And then I need holidays to recover from my holidays. Whereas if I take afterwards, it's the holiday. Then
Yeah. It's weird. It's like the whole thing with like Boxing Day shopping. You notice I'm talking so much more now? It's because all the carbs. Like, before,
Yeah, it could
like,
be
no
that.
carbs.
all right, we're going to adjust in through here next. So I'll have you take a deep breath in.
Ugh.
There we go. Good. And then while you're here, I'm just going to check you out here. I'm going to bend both knees up again. Nice and smooth there. So right leg up as high as it'll go for me. That looks a lot better. And then left. Good.
Crazy.
Feels more even?
Whoa! That's crazy, yo.
Had to get my face out of the way there.
Can you see how like before it was like there?
Oh, it's
and now it's like here?
It's very visibly different.
That's insane. Mind blown.
From here, we're just gonna make sure everything opens up nicely in here. So I'm gonna borrow your head here.
Yep.
And out.
Oh! You're right, I do trust you more.
You really do.
I really do.
Alright, so that'll be much nicer, and then when you're ready, I'm going to get you face up for me.
So my plan is to come like during like, so basically I'll let you do your thing.
Oh, you're good.
18 weeks is basically improvement, and then the last half is me starting prep. So I'm gonna come like twice a month during my like improvement season. So I'm rotating. So once a week I'm here, once a week I'm going to massage, once a week here, once a week to massage.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah. Because if you can't move, you can't grow. Like you can't lift stuff.
All right, so we're going to adjust here, and then we're going to adjust there. So. And one more. Like that. Down around there, still the way. So I'm going to turn you just a little bit. We're going to get right in there. You let me know if the pressure's too much.
I also started stretching.
That's a healthy thing to do. So, I'm glad you have.
I don't know if that's going to help things.
Honestly, just being able to move more is always a good thing.
Yeah, it's true. Stretching is very underrated by some, and by some I mean just me. I know a lot of people stretch.
Oh, you're not alone in that one. Just because I don't know that we've talked about it. For the most part, stretching, if you're doing stretching before a warm-up, try and do it more dynamic so that you're moving through the stretches.
Okay.
If you're doing like a long hold type stretch, it'll actually shut down some of the muscles. So then going and turning around and trying to work them out is not always as impactful as it could be.
Okay. I didn't know that.
Whereas if you can get everything moving and like your more dynamic stretch type thing, it'll get some extra blood flow in there and it should help you move better through that range.
Good to know.
The static stretches, like the hold and stretch, are great, but you just want to do them when you're kind of removed from a workout coming up.
Okay.
After a workout is perfect, or...
Usually what I do is, because I'm still doing a little bit of cardio, fasted cardio, to help get some of this food down and moving through me. So I usually have been doing like the stretching like after my cardio in the morning. Which I don't know if that makes sense. If I should probably be doing around when I'm actually lifting the weights, probably.
Well, again, like if you're doing your hold type stretches,
yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's a perfect time because like there will be some time in between when you're stretching and when you're working out.
Feel better already. Oh.
Good. We are gonna check the feet out. Make sure everything's.
I'm so crappy today.
You are. That's pretty good. That's kind of stiff, so I'm going to give you a tug here. Okay. Traction's okay?
Yeah.
Good. Stiffen through the bottom, though.
It's so funny. Like, I have what I consider to be, like, big feet for a girl. Like, I'm 8.5, sometimes 9. And when I was little, everyone told me, oh, you have big feet. That means you're going to be, like, tall, right? I'm 5'2", like in a half, and it's an old lifestyle. Like.
Well, imagine how tall you'd be if you didn't have big feet. You'd be like 4'3".
True. It's funny, like I spent my whole teenage years expecting like some growth spurt that never happened. I was so ready for it. It's crazy how much of a difference these sessions make to like my lifting sessions. Like now it's like I don't want to like I almost rely on them. It's like
And tighten through more of the rib than the trap, actually, in through there. So we'll adjust in through this right side. I'm going to bring your head over perfect just like that. I'll have you take a breath in and out. Good. And then I'm going to roll the right arm. We're going to bring you right back. That moves really well. As does that. Can you push that up for me? And then I'll bring you out in front and push up. Good. And actually, just from here, can you pull down? I'm going to try and lift you. Perfect. We'll switch sides. So arm's just going to come right back.
is rock run a pre-workout?
So that's actually it's an emollient. So if we're doing any like scraping,
Oh, I see. I thought it was.
push up for me here. Good, and then pull down. And then I'm gonna bring you out in front and go thumb down for me and push. Good. That all seems good. And from here, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna get you to come on up for me. Move everything around. Let me know how it all feels.
Amazing. I feel like a whole new woman. I'm ready to lift some heavy weights. Get big, get huge.
Nice.